Do you think it's possible to know your health status just by measuring your weight? Then why do people with the same weight have different body shapes? Fitrus Plus 2.0 shows the true state of your body through body fat mass, skeletal muscle mass, and BMR, which you can never know by a scale. And it only takes 5 seconds. Introducing Fitrus Plus 2.0. Thanks to all of your support, we were able to successfully complete our first campaign of Fitrus Plus 1.0.
So this is one good way for me to check to see, am I losing fat or am I losing my muscle mass?
And currently, we've developed an upgraded version based on our backers' feedback. If you just place your fingers on the device, Fitrus will provide you the most important information required for an effective diet and exercise. You can see how much body fat you have, whether you have an adequate amount of muscle mass, and the number of calories you need to burn. All the data is automatically organized into individual charts for you to easily see the results. It will become a source of motivation to help you successfully manage your weight and achieve workout goals. Simply carrying Fitrus will allow you to know the distance you've walked throughout the day, step counts, and the number of calories burned. You can even find out your heart rate and stress level. Moreover, you can record daily food intake. This will calculate the total calories you consume and show you the nutritional values, which can help you manage healthier meal plans. This small device only weighs 45 grams, which makes it easy for you to carry around in your pocket or bag. You can use it at home, but you can also bring it to your workplace, the gym, and just wherever you go. The device is also equipped with a contactless thermometer. This function is very valuable today as safety has become highly significant in our lives. Did you forget to bring your phone with you? Don't worry. You can check the latest measured data even without your phone. Have Fitrus Plus with you anywhere, at any time, and achieve your health goal.
Hello backers, I'm Douglas, founder of OST.
And I'm Benjamin, the campaign manager.
I was overweight and obese, even had pre-diabetes. Tried numerous weight loss programs and purchased various fitness devices. But there's nothing like Fitrus Plus 2.0, a pocket-sized device that measures 7 different fitness data, but also provides body analysis, exercise, and nutrition guide that fits your body type, anytime, anyplace. We spent 4 years developing exactly what you need to gain insight in your healthy lifestyle.
We've tested hundreds of prototypes, and now we're ready for the final production.
We would love for you to join us to make Fitrus Plus 2.0 a success.
Unmask the new you
with Fitrus Plus 2.0.